everyone, we have prepared latest market updates for March 23rd, 2023. Evergrande's dollar debt review plan falls short. China's based Evergrande Group's offshore debt restructuring proposal, a test of investor sentiment toward the cash-strapped real estate sector, has failed to impress because of its long payment period and lack of sufficient sweeteners, creditors and analysts say. Evergrande is the most debt-ridden real estate developer in the world, with about $300 billion in liabilities. The offshore debt restructuring, the largest in the country, is aimed at saving the company from a disorderly collapse. The developer has $22.7 billion in offshore debt, all of which is considered in default. The plan provides two main options for dollar bondholders to recover their investments. Lenders can either exchange all of their assets for new bonds with maturities of 10 to 12 years, or convert them into various combination of new bonds with maturities of 5 to 9 years and equity-linked instruments. The index, which tracks mainland developers, was down 0.5% in early afternoon trading Thursday, while the broader benchmark equity index added 1.3%. Trading in Evergrande shares remains suspended. SEC intensifies pressure on Coinbase and Tron. The U.S. increased pressure on the crypto industry Wednesday as regulators sued Tron founder Justin Sun and several of his celebrity promoters and threatened to do the same with Coinbase. In an action that ends a long-running dispute over the business models of cryptocurrency exchanges, the Securities and Exchange Commission formally accused Sun of illegally distributing tokens such as Tronix and BitTorrent and of manipulating the market for these cryptos to create the appearance of stability and liquidity. In addition, the SEC sent a so-called Wells notice to Coinbase, the largest remaining cryptocurrency exchange in the United States, indicating that it intends to initiate enforcement proceedings against it on charges of illegally distributing unregistered securities. Coinbase's stock, which has already lost 70% since going public in 2021, fell another 10% in after-hours trading. Bitcoin and other digital assets have been more resilient, losing no more than 3%. This was mostly due to support from crypto enthusiasts betting on the collapse of the mainstream financial system as the U.S. Federal Reserve raised interest rates again on Wednesday. ECB releases first detailed carbon footprint. The European Central Bank and the Eurozone's national central banks will publish the first detailed carbon footprints in the coming days, showing the environmental impact of years of crisis management. The ECB and the 20 countries that use the single European currency spent trillions of euros during the years of crisis to buy bonds, including those of highly polluting companies. The carbon footprint measures the amount of carbon dioxide emitted into the atmosphere as a result of daily activities. For the ECB and national central banks in the Eurozone, this includes asset purchase programs as well as areas such as staff pensions. According to the latest figures, the ECB holds just over 340 billion euros worth of corporate bonds, which it purchased under the Corporate Sector Purchase Program, CSPP, as well as another 45 billion euros worth of bonds purchased under the Pandemic Emergency Purchase Program, PEPP, of the COVID era.